Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. Our number one pick is ZAZE Extra Large Picnic Outdoor Blanket. One of the best features of this picnic blanket is its extra large size. Measuring 80 inches by 80 inches, it easily fits 4 to 6 adults sitting or 3 to 4 people lying down, making it an excellent choice for family outings, group picnics, or beach trips. The soft, smooth top layer ensures a comfortable seating experience, while the padded middle layer adds extra cushioning, making it ideal for use on grass, sand, or even hard surfaces. Despite its large size, the ZAZE picnic blanket folds down compactly into a lightweight and easy-to-carry package. It comes with a built-in handle, making it convenient to transport and store. Whether you're heading out for a hike, a road trip, or a picnic in the park, this blanket is designed for on-the-go convenience. It folds up neatly and doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for packing in a backpack, car, or beach bag. Picnics in the park, soft, spacious, and comfortable for relaxing. Beach trips, sand-resistant and waterproof for a hassle-free beach day. Camping and hiking, lightweight and portable for outdoor adventures, outdoor concerts and festivals. Our second best picnic blanket is Sapsisel Waterproof and Foldable Beach Blanket. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves picnics, beach trips, or camping adventures, finding the perfect picnic blanket is essential. The Sapsisel 80 by 80 extra large picnic blanket is designed for comfort, durability, and convenience, making it a fantastic choice for families, couples, and groups of friends. Whether you're heading to the park, beach, or a backyard gathering, this waterproof, foldable, and easy-to-carry blanket is a must-have. One of the biggest concerns with outdoor blankets is moisture and dirt, but the Sapsisel picnic blanket has you covered. The waterproof backing ensures that damp grass or wet sand won't soak through, keeping you and your belongings dry. For beach trips, the sand-resistant material is a lifesaver. Unlike regular blankets that trap sand, this one shakes off easily, making post-beach cleanup a breeze. No more carrying half the beach home. One of the standout features of this picnic blanket is its extra large size. Measuring 80 inches by 80 inches, it comfortably accommodates 6 to 8 adults, making it ideal for family picnics, outdoor parties, or group hangouts. You won't have to worry about squeezing in. There's plenty of room for food, drinks, and lounging. The 3-layer design adds an extra touch of comfort. Soft top layer provides a cozy and pleasant surface for sitting or lying down. Padded middle layer offers cushioning, making it more comfortable on uneven or hard surfaces. Waterproof bottom layer keeps you dry even on damp grass or wet sand. Third choice in our list is Arcturus Military Wool Blanket. If you're looking for a dependable wool blanket to keep you warm in harsh conditions, this one exceeds expectations. The Arcturus wool blanket is specifically crafted to provide maximum warmth in cold conditions. Wool is known for its natural insulating properties, and this blanket is no exception. It retains heat even when wet, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures, survival situations, and emergency preparedness. The density and thickness of the wool fabric help in trapping body heat, making this blanket perfect for camping in chilly weather, winter road trips, and even indoor use on cold nights. One of the best features of this wool blanket is that it's machine washable, which is rare for many wool products. Wool blankets often require delicate care, but the Arcturus military wool blanket can be cleaned easily without compromising its quality. After washing, it's recommended to air dry it to maintain its texture and longevity. With proper care, this blanket will last for years, making it a cost-effective and practical purchase. While wool is typically known for its warmth, some people worry about itchiness. Number 4 in our side is KANGYUN Outdoor Picnic Blanket. One of the standout features of this blanket is its extra large size. At 80 inches by 60 inches, it comfortably fits 4 to 6 people, making it perfect for family gatherings, beach outings, and picnics. The blanket is soft and comfortable to sit on, ensuring a relaxing experience whether you're at the beach, park, or camping ground. The material is smooth to the touch, so you won't feel uncomfortable sitting on rough grass or sand. Unlike many thin picnic blankets, this one offers a nice balance of durability and comfort, making it suitable for extended outdoor use. Despite its large size, the KANGYUN picnic blanket is lightweight and folds down compactly. It features a built-in carrying handle and straps, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. Folds neatly into a compact size. Lightweight and easy to carry. Last in our top 5 best picnic blanket list is G-Good Gain Waterproof Picnic Blanket. The G-Good Gain Waterproof Picnic Blanket is an outstanding choice for anyone who needs a comfortable, durable, and portable outdoor blanket. With its spacious size, waterproof backing, sand resistance, and easy portability, it's perfect for families, beachgoers, and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the most important features of an outdoor blanket is its ability to withstand different terrains and weather conditions. The G-Good Gain Picnic Blanket excels in this area with its waterproof PEVA backing, which prevents moisture from seeping through. This means you can sit comfortably on damp grass without getting wet. Waterproof backing keeps you dry. Sand-resistant surface makes it great for beach trips. Easy to shake off dirt and debris. Whether you're at the beach, park, or campground, this blanket ensures that you stay clean and dry. It's also great for protecting your clothes from sand, dirt, and wet surfaces. Made with high-quality materials, the G-Good Gain Waterproof Picnic Blanket is built to withstand outdoor conditions. The sturdy stitching and strong fabric ensure long-lasting use, making it a reliable investment for outdoor lovers. Cleaning is also super easy. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth or toss it in the washing machine for a quick refresh. It dries fast, so you can use it again in no time. Durable and high-quality construction. Machine washable for easy cleaning. Quick drying for convenience.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.